Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G Shock DW-6900HM. To enter our time setting mode, we want to press our adjust button, which is recessed right here. Now we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can zero this with our start stop button. To enter the next setting, we're simply going to press mode. Now we'll see our hours start flashing. We can adjust this using our start stop again. If we press mode once more, we'll be able to adjust our minutes. If we press mode again, we'll be able to set our year. Mode again will bring us to our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our day. Once you're done with all that, we're simply going to press adjust once more, and now our watch will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.